This is chapter number 8.4. Now here there is a new formula, new formation. If a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is given, we can write it into these factors like a plus b plus c and a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. So therefore x whole cube x cube plus y whole cube plus this one 4 whole cube minus 3 into x into y into 4. 3 into 4 12, 12xy. So 12xy can be written as this form. So therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So therefore the answer should be x plus y plus 4 and x square plus y square plus 4 square minus x into y minus y into 4 minus 4 into x. So therefore the answer should be like this: x plus y plus 4 and this one x square plus y square plus 16 minus xy minus 4y minus 4x. This one. This is sum number 3, 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 1 minus 18ab. So therefore 8a cube means 2a whole cube plus minus 3b whole cube. Minus 3b whole cube means minus 3 cube means minus 27b cube. So minus 27b cube plus minus 27b cube. So we can write it in this formation: plus minus 3b whole cube. After that, same as minus 1 whole cube and minus 3 into 2a into minus 3b into minus 1. 3 into 2a 6a, 6a into minus 3b minus 18b into minus 1 plus 18b into minus. Therefore these 3 minus, the answer should be in minus 18ab. This minus 18ab should be written in this form. So therefore the formula was same as a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Same as here. So after that, a plus b plus c a square b square c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca. Opening those brackets, therefore we can get 2a plus minus 3b plus minus minus 1 2a whole square 4a square minus 3b whole square. The power is even, so therefore the answer should be in plus. So therefore plus 9b square plus 1 minus minus plus 6ab minus into minus plus plus into minus 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 3b minus into minus plus 2a. Now there is also a new formation: if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Sum number 5, 3a minus 2b whole cube plus 2b minus 5c whole cube plus 5c minus 3a whole cube. Now we assume this is x, this is y and this is z. So written in this form, let this equal to x, this equal to y and this equal to z. Therefore x plus y plus z equal to 3a minus 2b plus 2b minus 5c plus 5c minus 3a. Eliminate those. So after that we can get this is 0. So if x plus y plus z equal to 0, therefore this cube plus this cube plus this cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So therefore 3a minus 2b whole cube plus 2b minus 5c whole cube plus 5c minus 3a whole cube equal to 3abc. 3 into this one into this one into this one. This is sum number 9. So first of all of you know that if a cube into b cube is given, we can write it into this formation. So therefore first of all p whole cube into q minus r whole cube plus q whole cube into r minus p whole cube plus r whole cube into p minus q whole cube. Therefore in this formation we can write this also like p into q minus r cube plus q into r minus p cube plus r p minus q cube. So therefore opening those brackets we can get pq minus pr whole cube plus qr minus pq whole cube plus pr minus qr whole cube. Now if this is a, this is b and this is c, so therefore if we plus this we can get pq minus pr plus qr minus pq plus pr minus qr. Eliminate those, we get 0. So therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube, if a plus b plus c, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So therefore we can write it 3 into pq minus pr into qr minus pq into pr minus qr. Taking common from the first, 3 into p q minus r, from the second take common q r minus p, and the third take common r p minus q. So therefore 3 pqr p minus q q minus r r minus p. The last sum number 10, pq plus 1 by pq plus 26 by 27. Now here 1 minus 1 by 27 equal to 26 by 27. So therefore we can write 26 by 27 in this formation. So p cube plus 1 by p cube plus 1 minus 1 by 27. This one can be written as, this one can be written as and this one can be written as plus minus 1 by 3 whole cube. So there, and minus 1 by 3 whole cube answer is minus 1 by 27. After that 1 can be written as in this formation minus 3 into p into 1 by p into minus 1 by 3. How? 3 into p into 1 by p into minus 1 by 3. Eliminate this. So therefore this minus 1 and this minus plus 1. So we can write plus 1 in this formation. So after that, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. A plus b, a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca. Opening this bracket, we can written as this p plus 1 by p plus minus 1 by 3, and after that we can be written as in this formation, this is p square plus 1 by p square minus 1 by 3 whole square. So the answer should be in plus 1 by 9. P and P cut down, so the answer should be minus 1 minus plus 1 by 3p minus plus p by 3, and after that p plus 1 by p minus 1 by 3 p square plus 1 by p square plus 1 by 3p plus p by 3, and this 1 by 9 minus 1 can be written as minus 8 by 9.